So I'm placing randomly. Nice. Sorry, Facebook and YouTube. Technical difficulty. And I'm going to use the other ones here. It's really cool though. You know what is make it looks really good with his nails is because it has such a great the background underneath. So now if you're happy with this, you don't want anything else, top coat here for 60 seconds. Give a good rub. It's really cool though because it had the background with the golden touch shimmery underneath. It's really like make the I mean the how do I saying it? It's more enhanced for the nails. All right, so crystal or not to crystal. If crystal, I might put 1 crystal, maybe 2, maybe 3. So I'm gonna show you. So if you are doing a crystal, okay, if you don't do crystal, top coat and clear 60 seconds, you're good to go. And if you are doing crystal, so now I am go ahead and using condensed glue gels. This is really thick density and it worked perfect for flat backs, 3D crystal, and also charm and chain. So if you are having a troubleshootings with your crystal and you love wearing it and it's keep popping off, this going to be your bestie on your station. Is always get your back. So no wipes on floating on the top. So then when you finish, you don't have to go back and top coat it again, and you are not going to top coat on the top of the crystal. Is going to actually destroy the shape. I mean the shape, actually the cut and the sparkle of it the fastest. All right, so I'm go ahead. I told you I'm gonna do just 3. If I do more than 3, just stop me. He'll probably gonna stop me. Sometimes he's just watching it and he's fascinated and he didn't stop me until like, I told you to help me and stop me. And you didn't, so I'm gonna keep going. You're good. All right, so I'm gonna do a couple beads. 3 beads. That's it. All right, that's it. And you want, just in case you want more, you can add 1 more right here. Hold on, I just want a smaller one. Right here, I found the tiniest on earth. That's it. Don't overdo it, okay? Sometimes I overdo it and I love it. You can do just a little bit. That's it, just get a little bit shiny, sparkle. And that's about it. Okay, that's it. I'm go ahead and clear for 60 seconds.